Hello there, Taylor with the multi-tempo report. Severe tropical cyclone Rusty has still not made landfall. You look at the satellite loop, you can see there's still a pretty well-defined eye out there for as close to land as it is. So obviously, ill effects happening for the coast of Australia. In fact, cyclone warnings current, cyclone watches current for some areas. So yes, and then there's this thing over here, tropical low 18, who's predicted to become a tropical storm one of these days. And look at that thing doesn't, that doesn't look very impressive, which is good in a way, but this thing could potentially be a problem for Australia in the future, depending on where it ends up, which is unclear as of the time. But for now, that's it. So that's at least good. That's it. Yeah, those two storms. So, but of course, if you're in the path of this one, the fact that there's just one, it's a pretty big one. So yes, today in severe thunderstorm weather news for the US. Well, let's take a look at the mesoscale discussions. One of these is, okay, that's the tornado watch that's currently in effect. So, and then that is actually expiring at 3 p.m. Eastern, so soon-ish. There's been tornado warnings off and on for Florida all morning. And then the two mesoscale discussions are in effect. This thing is talking about a new tornado watch is being considered for parts of southeastern Georgia into southern/eastern South Carolina. Right, so 60% chance of probability of watch issuance on that one. And this one is for freezing rain, so for the winter weather. Right, so these are the two slight risk areas. Let's take a look at the specific probability maps. So this would be the wind. Chance of winds 58 miles per hour and greatest of 58 or 15% chance in two different areas, and then connected by a 5% area. Hail is apparently not a huge threat today, or not a threat at all, but tornadoes, 5% chance. Basically where the wind threat is today, there's also a 5% tornado chance. So for instance, in this area in Florida, if you place the mouse cursor there, and you were to draw a 25-mile radius circle around that point, that means that there's a 5% chance of a tornado occurring somewhere within that 25-mile radius circle. So, for instance, if you're in that circle, that means maybe not you, but a neighbor to, a 25-mile direction around you or whatnot. But other than that, for today, past today, I mean, tomorrow, day 3, days 4 through 8, it looks relaxed and groovy, at least as of now. But you have to pay attention because things do pop up from time to time. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WickedWix is WICKEDWX.com. Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. Look at that thing. That is severe tropical cyclone Rusty. Anyway, that is it for today. Hopefully you're staying safe out there.